Can you negotiate child support payments outside of court? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you and your ex want to work out child support without going through a long court battle, you might be wondering if you can negotiate payments outside of court. The answer is yes, as long as both parties agree and the arrangement is legally documented. Let's go over how to handle child support negotiations the right way. In California, parents can agree on a child support amount without going to court, but it must still follow state guidelines. The agreed-upon amount should be fair, reasonable, and in the child's best interest. If it's too low, a judge may reject it. If one parent later refuses to pay, having the agreement filed with the court ensures it can be legally enforced. We've worked with clients who made informal agreements on child support only to run into problems later. In one case, a parent verbally agreed to a lower amount, but never had it written down or filed with the court. Years later, the other parent demanded back payments at the original court-ordered amount, and since nothing was legally changed, they were still responsible for the full amount. If you and your ex want to negotiate child support, here's what to do. First, use California's child support guidelines as a starting point so the amount is fair. Second, put the agreement in writing. A verbal deal won't protect either of you. Third, file it with the court so it becomes an official order, making it legally enforceable. At Divorce 661, we help parents create legally binding child support agreements that work for both sides. If you need help negotiating and filing a support order, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll make sure your agreement is clear, fair, and enforceable.